What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another beautiful day in paradise. Today we're gonna be working again on the E93 M3 because I have two shock. Oh yeah. Don't mind about that. I'll talk about that later. But I have two shock absorbers that I need to take back to Riaction to get some warranty work done because these are broken. So let's get to it. Alright, so just got the wheel off. This should be pretty easy. You got, oh look at that, beautiful, right? Beautiful. What is this bullshit? Okay, that's why we're taking off. But you got one bolt right here, and then you got one nut up here. And that's why I cut this, because every time I go in here and adjust it, I don't want to freaking have to take off the liner and everything. And the only reason why I'm returning it for warranty work, you see that damper adjuster? This thing keeps on spinning. The whole assembly is broken right there. So we're gonna go back to Riaction. We'll take these off, go to Riaction, and then have them do the warranty work on this. Basically just give me a new replacement, basically. Alright, so this nut right here, it might be different on every assembly, but mine specifically for the Riaction, it is a 14 mil. I just hit it with an impact because if you try to wrench it out, you're not gonna be able to get out because the whole strut, the whole shock is gonna be moving around. So when you use the impact, it should come out pretty easily. Alright, now we get to the bottom. Easy stuff. Just one bolt. This one. This is for sure, I think it's an 18. Yes sir, 18. There we go. Long ass bolt. Sheesh. Okay, so now this part, all you gotta want to do is get this rod right here. Try to compress it down. Mine's a little hard because it's a little stuck there, but compress it down. And when it's down enough, you should be able to just pull it out. So you can get it. Let's stack it up. Drop it quickly. There we go. Oh, easy. Dude, look how jacked up this shit is. What the fuck? Y'all see this? Holy. Alright, so same thing on this side. Got my little hole there. Put on my 14 mil. You guys put on whatever you guys need. Okay, get that nut out there. Get the washer. This side is installed the same way, so I'm not sure that's how you actually install it or not. It's a little weird if you tell me, or if you ask me. Oh! Ah! Heavy. Alright, got my 18 mil. Hold this bolt down here. Like that, comes straight out. Put my jack in on the lower control arm. This is so you could compress the shocks. So then you just pull it straight out. You guys see how it's compressing the shocks? And it's out. Yeah, this side's fucked up too. Alright, come look at this. Look at the shocks, bro. I don't know what the fuck happened. Bro, what is this? Alright, let me get cleaned up a little bit and then we'll start heading over to Riaction. Alright, y'all, so we're in my grandpa's Honda Pilot now. Got my co-pilot Soju. Do you guys think she qualifies for carpool? Cause your boy's trying to take carpool, bro. Oh yeah, you tired, girl? You tired, Soju? Yeah, let's go. To Riaction we go. Cheers! Look at this brother right here. Sick ass food with the wide body. Sheesh. What was that? Nardo Gray? Grandjo, the same color as TJ Hano or what? Alright, just got to Riaction. They're actually called 5-8 Industry or whatever the fuck. But gotta bring these coils in. So you watch the car. AC's on, guys, so don't smash my window. And I'll be right back. We'll see what happens. I'll let you guys know what's up. Alright, so I just dropped the shocks off to the guys over at Riaction. They're gonna swap out some parts real quick and then swap out some parts that need replacing and then give back to me the assembly. And then we'll just go home and install it. Good job, Soju. Good job, baby. You having fun? If you're having fun, don't say anything. Yeah, I know you're having fun, right? Right. Alright. Hopefully, we'll get a better ride quality out of the M3 because the ride quality right now feels like fucking ass, bro. My mom literally said it feels like we're in a cattle truck, you know, in a trailer. Those trailers that hauls horses, cattles, bouncing all over the place. But hopefully this will fix it. Fingers crossed. Alright, so got it back. Looking nice and shiny. Sheesh. Okay. Let's get back home before my phone. Hey! Don't eat it! Move! Sit down! Not food! Alright, let's get back home before my phone dies and I don't have a GPS to get home. So, you gonna navigate or what? Sheesh, another brother. God damn. I do the same thing I told you that I never would. Told you I changed. Alright, so we made it back home. Let me show you guys the replacement shocks. So they swapped out all of these hardware. Now this thing actually works. The adjuster works. Replace that, replace this whole thing. This canister replaced, basically everything except for these. I don't think these got replaced though. But apparently these are OEM parts that need to be put back onto the car in order to install these. So I'm probably going to have to replace these. But for now, we just use this temporary because no other way we're gonna install it. Alright, let's get us started on putting this back together. We have to set the preload for these shocks because they came without load, okay? So in order to do that, you want to just attach the top of it first, you know. Let's go ahead and attach this, put the strut in, compress it, do it fast, stick it in there like that, easy. Y'all see that? So once you got down there, okay, first in order to do it, you want to get the length of your uncompressed spring. Grab measuring tape. Okay, so you want to grab the length of your uncompressed spring. Alright. This one looks like it's about 8 3/4. For a separate spring and shock, you want the load, you want the difference, the delta to be what is it? A 1/4 inch to 3/8. That looks like it's good. Okay, so now you just gotta adjust this so that, what do you call it, so that it could line up with the hole so you can put the bolt back in. Alright, we're almost there. Oh, It's a little more. Once you're the right, when you're lined up, the bolt should just go straight in with no interference. Almost there. Oh, my forearm. Yep. So when that is lined up, let's go ahead and put the bolt through. Now that your shocks is installed, basically, make sure you tighten all this up. Get that collar down there. Go, collar's at the bottom. Now grab your spanner wrench, tighten it up. I have a bunch of spanner wrenches laying around. This because I've went through a lot of suspension, a lot of different ones. One tap it, lock it. All right, now we lower this. Boom, and your preload should be set. What you want to do? Go ahead and you should measure the. Oh my God! I realized you can't see any of these. Go ahead and measure all of this. How many threads you have, and then just copy on the other side. Bro, I'm really trolling. You know how I told you guys to measure before you put the wheel back on? Oh, I put the wheel back on. I forgot to measure it. I'm trolling. Alright, y'all. So we just took this car out for a test drive, and Jesus Christ, it handles so much better. The rear is not bottoming out. This thing just fucking handles now. Before, I was like, man, this convertible fucking handles like shit. But after doing that, jeez, dude, I'm fucking in love with this car now. We had like a little canyon road, like spirally road nearby my house, and we took that. Oh my. I'm in love again. Thank you, Riaction Coilovers. I mean, Riaction, for coming in clutch. Can't even see it. But, should I go lower? I'm thinking about going lower. Especially the front. I want to lower the front. Alright, so the install is done. I just got cleaned up. But before I end this video, I just want to give a quick shout out to Riaction 5.8 Industries for hooking your boy up with the warranty. Even though I wasn't the person that bought the coilovers, they were still able to honor the warranty. All I need to do was, I didn't need a receipt or anything. All I need to do was provide them with the serial number that was on the shocks itself. So shout out to you Riaction and 5.8 Industries. Because of you, my love for the car, for the convertible, oh my, it went from here to here. I thought the convertible was handling like shit just because of how bad it was riding on those old shocks. But yeah, thank you again for hooking your boy up. I'll catch you guys in the next one.